In this video, we will examine the release burn down chart, which is a visual tool used in agile project management to track progress of work for an entire release. It focuses on the overall progress towards a larger product increment of set of features developed through a number of sprints. Burn down charts offer a straightforward visual representation of progress. A single line trending downwards towards zero intuitively shows the decreasing amount of work left. This simplicity makes them easy for all stakeholders to understand at a glance without requiring much explanation. Let's now construct a burn down chart for a release. Let's draw the x-axis representing the sprints in a release. In our example, we will use 10 sprints, and the y-axis representing the amount of work that needs to be done for the release. This can be in story points, hours, or tasks. In our example, the team needs to complete 300 story points for the release. The team would need to complete about 30 story points per sprint to deliver the release. This is the ideal progress, which is represented by the dash line, referred to as the ideal line. Let's simulate a sprint to plot the burn down progress of the story points on the chart. On the first sprint, the team that is doing the work completed 15 story points. This is shown by the actual line that has been plotted. As shown on the diagram, they are 15 points behind the sprint target of 30 story points. The actual line is above the ideal line, indicating that the progress is behind schedule. This is the same for the second, third, fourth, and the fifth sprint. The actual line is above the ideal line. This indicates a delay. On the sixth sprint, the team manages to catch up. The seventh and eighth sprint shows the actual line below the ideal line. This indicates that the progress is ahead of schedule. In our simulation, new work estimated at 30 story points needs to be added to the release. On sprint 9, the team completes 15 story points. Because of the new work, 30 points need to be added. The actual line moves above the ideal line. This indicates a delay. It is important to note that addition and subtraction of story points to the actual line can also come about from re-estimation of the effort required to do the work. And finally, on sprint 10, the team managed to complete 30 story points. The actual line remains above the ideal line. The release is in delay. If you have found this video useful and would like more videos like this, please visit pmstudies.com. We also provide one-on-one and online class training for PMP, CAPM, and ACP exams. We are adding new videos every week. Please click on the subscribe button shown below to be informed when we add a new video. The playlist shown below gives you a list of related videos to watch. Thank you for watching this video.